Greetings. This is your Professor Anastasio G. Pantaleon Jr. I will have an introduction about our syllabus and LMS platform. There are 18 weeks and all you have to do is to complete the activities and examinations in every stages to proceed to the next topics. Course description. This course is designed for undergraduate engineering students with emphasis on problem solving related to societal issues that engineers and scientists are called upon to solve. It introduces different methods of data collection and the suitability of using a particular method for a given situation. The relationship of probability to statistics is also discussed, providing students with the tools they need to understand how chance plays a role in statistical analysis. Probability distributions of random variables and their uses are also considered, along with the discussion of linear functions of random variables within the context of their application to data analysis and inference. The course also includes estimation techniques for unknown parameters and hypothesis testing used in making inferences from sample to population, inference for regression parameters and build models for estimating means and predicting future values of key variables under study. Finally, statistically based experimental design techniques and analysis of outcomes of experiments are discussed with the aid of statistical software. Due to this new normal brought about by COVID-19 pandemic, and ensure the safety of learners, there was a shift from face-to-face class to blended learning. There are 3 options employed in this course. Option 1. Unguided self-paced learning. No online activities. Course packs are delivered at the start of the semester, and requirements and learning outputs are to be submitted through online and/or courier services. Option 2. Guided self-paced learnings. Course packs are delivered at the start of the semester, online consultation with a faculty in charge are conducted, and requirements and learning outputs are submitted through online and/or courier services. Option 3. Full online learning. Instructional materials are made available for download/viewing/interactions. Consultation online with the faculty in charge is to be conducted, and requirements are submitted online and/or courier services. After completing the course, the students must be able to 1. Apply statistical methods in the analysis of data. 2. Design experiments involving several factors. Contact hour. 3 hours every week for 18 weeks or 54 hours in a semester. Let us run through your learning process. In the first 3 weeks, you'll have to learn the following intended learning outcomes. 1. Apply knowledge of mathematics and science to solve complex mechanical engineering problems, and 2. Design and conduct experiments, as well as to analyze and interpret data. You can see the topics you'll undergo in how to obtain data and an introduction of probability. The teaching learning activities are divided into 2 ways. The flexible learning approaches to learners with connectivity. This will done with classes, to be conducted using the following methods. Use of ebook. The link will be provided by the instructor or professor. Internet materials. The link will be provided by the instructor or professor. By email. Subscribe online program online subjects or courses. The link will be provided by the instructor or professor. Lecture streaming method by Facebook. Webinar via Messenger or Zoom Cloud. Using social media platform besides Facebook. Guided learning by faculty prepared learning module. Using blended learning /limit face-to-face contact, and with the integration of online learning strategy. In face-to-face learning model, the following shall be observed. Social and physical distancing. Class grouping with 20 students shall be observed. Class grouping will be scheduled by per group. The online learning for blended learning shall be used with the following strategy: Facebook or other social media platforms. Use of ebook /link. Internet materials /link. Subscribe online learning lesson. Schoology LMS platform. Assessments are done through online examinations and quizzes. Online submission of requirements. All assessments are self-paced. On the other hand, flexible learning approaches to learners without connectivity uses the following approaches. Offline method shall be used. Video teaching. Guided learning using prepared learning module. Employing procedure exercises or homework and lesson guide. Employing case studies and practice exercises as homework. Using blended learning. Segregation of learners by year level for social distancing will also be initiated. The professors/instructors are mandated to submit their learning modules to their chair or program coordinator for quality assurance. Styles stated above. The observance of social and physical distancing. Class grouping with 20 students shall be observed. Class group will be scheduled. Bring home test or examinations. Chapter exercise in each module. Guided test using social media platforms. You can check these activities as given below. Furthermore, assessments can be done without internet connectivity through downloadable online examinations and quizzes to be uploaded later, if permitted to have connectivity. Self-paced assessments through chartered courier services. Please read these methods for your guidance. Across the entire course, these two intended learning outcomes are as expected. In the 4th to 8th week, you'll learn about discrete probability distributions, continuous probability distributions, and joint probability distributions. In the 9th to 12th week, you begin to encounter sampling distributions and point estimation of parameters, statistical intervals, and test of hypothesis for a single sample. Finally, on the 13th to 18th week, statistical inference of two samples, and simple linear regression and correlation will be discussed. I will introduce you to the module via Schoology platform. You can download this platform in your Play Store app or any app store in your Android or iOS phone. We'll go to the course pack of Math 212, Engineering Data Analysis. As you can see, every module is arranged according to your pace. One after another, you have to complete each set of recorded exams within the modules. You may take the exams at your own pace, and retake it as many times as you want until you're satisfied. In order to pass, you need to have more than 60% of the overall items. Hope you'll enjoy learning this course. Once again, this is your Professor Anastasio Pantaleon Jr. of the Surigao del Sur State University Bislig campus. Stay safe in this pandemic time.